Alright, so here we have the following page. We have our page title, about text, behind the business, we have Jane's profile, and also our social media icons with a get in touch link. Alright, so at this point we need to duplicate the following section and simply change the picture out to Anna, change the name, add in the social media icons, and then also add in this area over here. So just for the sake of the following video, to make it a little bit shorter, I'll just go ahead and duplicate the entire block over here. So we'll need to go over here to our row settings and duplicate or clone row, which will be applied to this entire row over here. Alright, so let's go ahead and click that. And scrolling down, we'll then just need to change our name, change the links for our social media icons, which you can just click here on the following edit button, edit the links, and then also edit the text for the get in touch page as well. So for the sake of keeping this video shorter, we will not edit this and we will jump in to this area over here. So to add in that, we'll need to add in once again another row. Okay, now we'll need to open up our row settings. We'll need to go over here to where it says design options. We'll need to add in our padding of 50 pixels all the way around. Okay, and essentially the following padding is we can have 50 pixels from where our text starts, just right over here all around. Our margin is essentially calculated around our main block of content. So just to let you know about that. Next off, we need to select our background color. Let's go ahead and select a light gray. We'll go ahead now and click on Save Changes. Okay, close this up, and here we have just a block of, or row, a gray row. Alright, next off, let's go ahead and add in some text. Well, actually, we need to add in this little line over here. So we'll go ahead and click on add in a separator. For the color, we will select white. Alignment will be center. Border width 1 pixel, and over here we'll need to select 10%, which means it'll take up only 10% of our entire block. Go ahead and click on Save Changes. Close this up. Okay, and we've added that in there. Next off, let's go ahead and add in our text. We'll go here, click on Text Block, and I will open up my text editor here. Copy this and add it in. Whoops. There we go. Alright, so this title over here will be at heading 5. And also we'll need to take the following text, center align it, click on Save Changes. And another thing we need to do is also change our text color to be white. So we'll go ahead and select white. Once again, click on Save Changes and close the following area over here. So essentially this is pretty much the entire about page that we have. Final touch, let's go ahead and click on Update. Okay, and once again going to our main page, refreshing it. Here we have the duplicated sections, and here we have this area that we just added. Now, a very, very short note that I wanted to make is you see that the following social media icons are displayed horizontally, whereas in our visual editor they are placed vertically. So this is just the way the system works, and that is essentially why you need to add in the following CSS code. So all of the links to our documentation and access to all of our CSS codes, more details on how to customize that, all of those links are in the video description below. But at this point we've pretty much summarized the entire set of settings we have for our most complicated about page within Melbourne. And we do hope this video helps you, but also be sure to check out additional documentation from the Visual Composer developer. All of those links are in the video description below. Once again, thank you for your time.